Welcome to Richardson Ranch at Orchard, 2,000 acres of premier grazing and recreation in beautiful Colorado. Nestled in the heart of northeastern Colorado, Richardson Ranch at Orchard is an exceptional property offering 2,000 acres of prime grazing land, abundant wildlife, and unparalleled recreational opportunities. Strategically located just 25 miles southeast of Fort Morgan, Richardson Ranch at Orchard provides convenient access to essential services, shopping, dining, and healthcare. For even more amenities, the city of Greeley is just 40 miles to the west. For air travel, the ranch is only 70 miles from Denver International Airport, providing easy access to both domestic and international flights. This meticulously maintained ranch supports 75 cow-calf pairs year-round, ensuring a steady and sustainable operation. Additionally, 800 acres are enrolled in CRP, further enhancing the property's value. The land itself is a picturesque blend of lush, south-facing pastures and natural draws, perfect for both early and late-season grazing. With a reliable water supply and strong, well-maintained fencing, the ranch offers the ideal environment for livestock and land management. The ranch features a spacious 4-bedroom, 2-bath home with a full basement and a recreation room, providing both comfort and versatility. A newer heated workshop with a concrete floor is ideal for equipment maintenance and storage, while multiple grain bins provide ample space for storage needs. For livestock management, the property is equipped with licensed, state-certified truck and livestock scales, complete with a removable cattle rack, ensuring efficiency in your operations. The ranch is home to prime hunting habitat for mule deer, pronghorn, and small game, with the terrain's natural draws and open grasslands offering an ideal setting for these species. In fact, one of Colorado's largest prairie chicken leks resides on the ranch, providing a rare wildlife observation opportunity. Richardson Ranch at Orchard is a rare gem combining agricultural productivity, diverse recreational opportunities, and the serenity of rural living. For more information and a private tour, contact Dax Hayden at 303-619-6774.